Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Optima EX trim level. The car has a panoramic sunroof and a few other features that we're going to talk about as we go around the car. Of course, it has alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the mirrors. We get on the driver's side. The car also comes with 3 months of Sirius XM radio included. Opening the door. Driver's seat is powered and it also has a 2-position memory, power windows, locks and mirrors, rear cross traffic alert, traction control, a button for the power trunk. This car's a demo unit. It has 5,983 kilometers on it and will come with a balance of the factory warranty. The steering wheel has cruise and audio controls as well as various other functions for the car. I mentioned Sirius XM radio, backup camera, radio controls, climate control, push button start in the upper left, USB and auxiliary input controls for the radio as well as two 12-volt charging ports, heated steering wheel, a drive mode switch, and heated leather front seats. The leather seating surfaces on the seats are done up in black, and the driver's seat is powered. Going a little bit further down the car. The rear seats are also leather, and they are heated. Taking a look up, there's a picture of that panoramic sunroof. And going around the back of the car, a large trunk to carry groceries, carry sporting gear, outdoor gear, anything you need to carry will be, I'm sure, will fit into that trunk. We have the EX badging. This 2017 Kia Optima EX with sunroof is available from West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 on Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sundays and most holidays. Best way to find out if this Kia Optima sedan will fit into your lifestyle is to come down and test drive it. Bring the family down, see how everybody fits in the Optima, see how the Optima fits into your lifestyle. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.